Have you ever been excited to enjoy a refreshing soda, only to realize the pull tab is broken? Don't worry, simply take a piece of paper, fold it to make it thicker, and rub it back and forth over the opening. The friction will magically pop the lid open. No need for complicated tools, just a quick trick for instant refreshment. Oh no! Have you ever found a piece of chewing gum stuck to your favorite clothes? Instead of panicking, try this. Place an ice cube directly on the gum and wait for about 2 minutes. As the gum hardens, it becomes easy to peel off. No mess, no damage. This simple trick can save your favorite outfits. By the way, what's your biggest cleaning struggle at home? Let me know in the comments. Dust under the bed, behind furniture, or in tiny corners can be frustrating to clean, right? Instead of struggling with a mop, try this genius hack. Stick a sanitary pad onto a plastic hook, then glide it into hard-to-reach areas. The absorbent surface will pick up dust easily. No more back pain from bending down. A simple trick for a sparkling clean home. Instead of throwing away old face masks, why not turn them into something beautiful? Cut the mask into petal shapes, stitch them together, and add a small decorative center. And voila, you have a charming handmade flower. Perfect for home decor or a heartfelt gift. Creativity and sustainability in one. Ladies, do you enjoy making DIY crafts? Let's inspire each other. Share your favorite DIY projects in the comments. Tea lovers, this one's for you. Ever poured tea and had the lid fall off? Here's a quick fix. Take a small string, loop it twice around the handle and the lid of the teapot, flip the teapot upside down, and tighten the string following my instructions in the video. Then lightly heat the ends of the string to keep it in place. Now, your teapot lid will stay secure, making tea time so much more enjoyable. A beautifully wrapped gift shows love and care, but not everyone is good at wrapping. No worries. Follow my step-by-step guide in the video, and you'll create a gorgeous, professional-looking gift wrap in minutes. Because a well-wrapped gift isn't just about appearance. It carries warmth and heartfelt emotions. Who else enjoys gift wrapping? Or do you struggle with it? Tell me in the comments. Don't throw away your favorite socks just because of a small hole. Instead, stitch around the edges first, then gradually close the hole with neat stitches. This method ensures the fabric stays strong, saving you money and extending the life of your socks. Ever needed a perfectly sized paper bag for storage or gift wrapping? Here's how to make one. Place the item on the paper bag. Fold the sides inward to match the item's width. Open the bag and press along the fold lines to shape it. Fold and tape the bottom flaps to secure. And just like that, you have a custom-sized bag, perfect for organizing and storing things neatly. Instead of tossing out old face masks, reuse the flexible metal strip. Bend it into shape, decorate with beads, and glue it onto a hair clip. A fun, creative, and budget-friendly way to make stylish accessories. Who loves upcycling? What's the most creative thing you've ever repurposed? Let's swap ideas. Has your towel drawer ever been a mess? Mine used to be too. But then I learned this super simple folding trick, and now my towels look neat and elegant, just like in a luxury hotel. Lay the towel flat and smooth out the edges. Fold it in half lengthwise, then fold 2 corners diagonally toward the center. Flip it over and continue folding neatly into a compact shape. Now, your towels are stacked beautifully, easy to grab, and save space. A small change that makes your home feel more elegant. If you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing hacks.